We don't care. She told me not to come in here while she making her video. Let me tell you about this video. She was all in my room a little while ago. So I don't care. I'm all in your video.
Get out! Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry, the background.
Yeah, go right here.
I think I took care of my brother.
I need my water. Don't you close the door me now. I need that water.
Now, get it and stay in there.
All right. John, Shania, enough.
Okay. Okay, guys. What's up? Me and Shania back in another video.
And she's mean.
You just had to say that to me. Okay. Sorry about whatever that was. But, I know I haven't posted in a while. I haven't came up with any video ideas. And my phone has been acting up. As you can tell, well, not as you can tell, but my phone is right here. Beautiful. Looks like it's in shape perfectly. Oh, you can't see it. It's hard to see. Oh, it just went dead. I got this phone on the charger right now. But today, I'm going to be showing you my top 2 favorite squishies. My top 2 because my other squishies, like, what was I going to say? I'm playing this whole video, but I don't know what I was going to say. But, because I don't know, but I just had to think, okay? But they're not jumbo, so just know that these ones are very soft and slow rising. So my top 2, because I don't have a lot of favorite squishies. The other ones are like the same, like they have the same squish, same texture and everything. But yeah, I'd like to start off. Oh, sorry about this. I was just drinking some red Powerade. Let's get right on to the video. Okay, so first, my favorite squishy is this little, I guess, what do I say this is? I guess it's a, what is this thin or thick like? Like, it's like medium. It's well, I would say it's more on the thin side, not thick. But I like this squishy because it's a very, very, very soft. Look at that. And it's very slow rising. This is one of my slowest rising squishies. As you can tell here, it's very slow rising. And I love it because of that. So, it's too close. So, here it is. So, I'm just gonna, oh boy, I dropped it. Sorry. Be right back. Got it. So, I like it. I'm gonna put my finger on it. I like it because it's very slow rising. So, look at that. Very slow rising. It is very, very, very soft. And it has a keychain on it. But I love the little face. It's so cute. I just don't like the lines on the eyes. Sorry, my dad is coming in. But I don't like the little lines on the eyes. I love the shade of green in the background because green is my second favorite color. And I love the white, how it's faded into green or white, whatever it's faded into. My dad's watching it right now. I love the eyes, but the mouth isn't. No. The teeth are very cute and small. Sorry if I look a hot mess. I haven't got my hair done. I'm wearing my pajamas. There's stuff all over it because I don't care. And
Pajamas, yeah!
Sorry about that. And my second favorite squishy. Oh boy, here comes my brother. Don't disturb.
Video bomb.
Drink it, Gatorade. Eat the drink of Gatorade.
No!
Drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it.
Get out the way. Okay, so my second favorite squishy is this. It's dirty. Like right around here in the red corner. So, yeah. It's slow rising. It's my second slow rising squishy. Like, it's like a tan color, like, very tan color. Like, it's like faded into tan or faded into white. I would say it's faded into tan because it's like white a lot. But yeah. But look at how slow rising the squishy is. Squishy ASMR. So oopsies. I pulled the freaking charger. So here it is. Oh boy. So you know what? I'm just gonna show it because doing the keychain's too much. So it's very small, but I love it because it's slow rising. And yeah, so that was the video for today. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. And then make sure to subscribe to this channel.
Big thumbs up, yeah, subscribe. Okay.
Goodbye.